I am Gamer King 961 here.
We're gonna be my boss.
That's Retard Man 45 right there.
Also known as ME45 on Steam.
I'm a Steam guy. Shout out time to Gamer King 96. Not Gamer King. That's me. Yes, I love myself. No, PC Gamer 999 and Water Dragon Boy 15. And to response to your videos, Water Dragon Boy, I'm gonna do some Devil May Cry walkthrough and show you how it's done.
Yeah.
Just to let you know, man. So.
And by the way, we don't have fraps or any of that fancy stuff, so it's just this fancy little Sony camera.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, and it's very cheap, so it's probably gonna be poor resolution.
Yes, very poor.
We're gonna be we're gonna turn British here in pretty quick here. So.
My name's Sean Connery. Just kidding.
Okay.
All right, let's watch the hunt.
Let's go. Let's go. Either way, it's good. My Bolt-action Revolver. Ah!
He's being hunted
Yeah!
by a boar.
Piss me off.
Wild boar.
Oh yeah.
He likes making love to that gun right there.
Oh, okay, let's go.
You bloody bloke.
Okay, let's go. Forgot to zip up my pants.
He was raping the tree.
What a lovely tree.
Oh god, no, not again. He's gonna rape that tree again. He's raping that tree.
Oh, another screaming tree. Let's go.
You gotta hurry up and find it.
Let's go! I think I'm going the wrong way. What do you think? Yeah, I'm definitely going the wrong way.
Oh, damn it.
What a lovely tree.
We don't have time for this.
Oh, it's a bit too young for me, though.
You like your boys older and you girls younger.
What the fuck? I am not gay.
We know. I know, I'm not either.
Oops.
I'm Sean Connery. Sean